are currently at Walmart and I'm excited to share with you guys some Ibotta deals and some Shopkick deals and a couple other things here and there. I did get the Weekend Warrior. I need 15 rebates for $5, and then there's some other bonus where I need 48 rebates for $10 or something like that. I'm not sure, but we are going to try to hit the 15 bonus. Otherwise, if we don't, I'll definitely hit it this weekend, hopefully at Walgreens. But let's go inside and have some fun. If you guys are new, I'm also starting a bunch of new videos. I just posted a video on how to use the Ibotta app and all that stuff. I also have made one with Shopkicks. I'm working on a couple other apps and stuff, so I'm getting there. It might take weeks, but I'm getting there. I'm still a little groggy, so I'm trying not to film a lot of those videos because I end up coughing and stuff. So, but be prepared. I'm doing a ton of different tutorials on a bunch of different things for like how to do Etsy, how to start your YouTube channel, all that stuff. The only thing is I needed peace and quiet at my house and I don't get that very often. But let's go inside and have some fun, and we're doing all digital deals, so let's go. So here we have the Old Spice Gentleman's Blend. Now this is $7.97. You're going to pay $7.97. We currently have a Shopkick deal where you get 900 kicks, which is $3.60. And then you also get $2 back with Ibotta. It does have to be the Gentleman's Blend, but this ends up becoming just a $2.37. So not a great deal, but it is a decent deal if you guys need that. So here we have the cocoa butter. Now you do have to get certain ones, but apparently this one doesn't work, but this one does. But anyways, we're gonna get this Olay body wash for $6.97. You're gonna pay $6.97. We currently have 900 Shopkicks that you get, which is $3.60. And then you also get $2 back with Ibotta, making this just $1.37, which is a great deal. So here we have the Bic Easy Rinse for the men's and the women's. These are both $6.92. Now you can do these in separate transactions or you can do it in both, but gotta make sure to check what you do. But anyways, you'll pay $6.92 each for those, but we currently have Ibotta rebates that you guys can submit your receipt to. We currently have a $4 Ibotta rebate for the men's razors, and we also have a $4 Ibotta rebate for the women's. You're going to submit your receipt for one of the products on the coupons.com app, and then you can submit your receipt for the other product on the Shopium app for $2 back, making both of these just 92 cents each, which is a great deal. So we have these Olay boosters right here for $9.97. You're gonna buy 2 of them. It comes out to be just less than 20 bucks, but we have a rebate that ends in less than 24 hours where you'll get $10 back when you purchase the 2 of them. But then there is also a bonus where you get $10 back also, making both of them absolutely free. So here we have the Persil disc for $5.97. Some of them do have these $2 off coupons inside, so definitely grab one. You're gonna end up paying $3.97, but we currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate. Doesn't say you can't use coupons. So you'll just get this for $1.97. I got my coupon from this one. I did check both of these and they didn't have it. Another thing you can do is right there is a coupon right there, so that's how you guys can tell for that. So here's an awesome deal for the Finish, 15 tabs for $4.94. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you would pay $9.88. We currently have an Ibotta rebate where you guys can get $5 off of 2. You can also submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $2 back, and you submit your receipt to the Shopium app where you get $2 back, making these just 88 cents or 44 cents each. Awesome deal. So here we have the 7th generation soap for, sorry, I forgot to take my photo, for $3.47. You're gonna pay $3.47 for it. But we currently have an Ibotta rebate for $1, making that $2.47. And then you can either submit your receipt to the Shopium app for 75 cents, or the coupons.com app for 75 cents, so one or the other. You'll end up just getting this for $1.72. So $1.72, which is an okay deal if you guys need some 7th generation soap. So here we have the Starry 6-pack. All the other pop is $3.88, but this one is $4.58. You're gonna pay $4.58, but then we have a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $2.08 for 6 bottles. That is a great deal. So here we have the Coca-Cola minis, the moves. These are $5.88. You would pay $5.88. Then here we have $2.75 back that you get with Ibotta, making this just $3.13 for 10 cans, which is a pretty decent deal. There's also a bonus where you get a 50-cent bonus when you purchase the 2 items. So if my store has the bottles, I'm gonna definitely get those too. So here we have some Capri Suns. It's crazy how these prices keep going up, but these are $3.18. We currently have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5. If you guys need those for the lunches coming up. But anyways, you end up getting it for just $2.43 a pack, which is an okay deal. So here we are doing the Lunchables. This is not a Lunchable brand, but these are the Lunchable brands. These are $1.82. You would pay $1.82. There's currently a 35-cent rebate back with Ibotta, where it makes it just $1.47. My daughter was sad last week because I didn't get an extra one, so I'm actually getting 2, but pretty decent deal if you guys need some Lunchables for lunch. So here we have the Townhouse Pita. Now I know there was an easy freebie the other day, but I never got it. But you're gonna get the pita for $3.82, and then you're gonna get the regular for $3.82. You will pay $7.64. But we currently have 75 cents back with the original crackers, and then you also get $1.50 back when you get the everything crackers, and then there's a bonus where you get $2 back when you purchase the 2 items, which is an even better deal, getting both boxes of crackers for $3.39 or $1.69. So here we have Honey Made crackers for $4.58. It is that season where you want to start getting this stuff. But we currently have an Ibotta rebate for $2 back, making it $2.58. Now it's not the greatest deal because you could get the off-brand for a little bit cheaper, but if you are brand loyal, sometimes this stuff does taste a little bit different. But if you're brand loyal, it's a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Philly Swirl Sticks for $3. There's currently a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. My kids like these. So you will end up getting these for just $2.25, and then there's a bonus where if you buy 3 of the items, you'll get $1, and that's pretty decent for that. Another deal I'm going to do is the icy tubes for $3. We currently have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making this just $2.25. The Luigi's is $2.98, and there's an 85-cent rebate. The Minute Maid, they're $4.64, and there's a $1 rebate. So it just depends on what you want to get, but I like to get some treats when I can. So here we have the Coke Move for $2.08. You'll use that $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.08. And then you get a 50-cent bonus again if you buy the 2 things together, which we are doing, so that is an even better deal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I went to Walmart. You guys, I can't believe it. I have less than 2 hours of shopping, getting all my stuff, doing all the things that I need to do, and then go pick up my daughter from preschool. And I can't believe, you guys, I got everything done in 1 hour. 1 hour! I was like, oh my gosh, I had time to go home and put everything away. But yes, so let's just dig in and I can share with you guys everything that I got at Walmart. So I showed you all the deals that I did. There was a couple deals that I just didn't think about doing. Like, I always write a lot of stuff on here, but sometimes I might not do it because I just didn't want to do it, but there was some swag bucks deals for like Merci and the Werthers, and I totally just let it go over my head. I was mostly working on just Ibotta. I just had Ibotta on my brain. But yeah, so my total came to be $103.62. I just used that one $2 off Peely or attached coupon that was on the Persil, so I ended up getting that. So $103.62. That's crazy. But I did receive $39.45 back with Ibotta, so that was great. The Olay, my store has all of that stuff locked up. From the Olay to like the $3 or off-brand Neutrogena wipes that are like $2 or $3. They have all that stuff locked up, and they had to bring it to the service desk. I says, I will pay for it, but you know, you can't trust anybody, you know, and I totally understand. Like my store at my Walgreens, they're supposed to bring that stuff up to the registers, but they know me, so. But she was just like, yeah, I gotta bring it up to the thing. Now, I was looking at that deal online, and my store showed that they were sold out. I look on the shelf, and bam, they had 2 of them right there, so I had to do it. That Olay deal does, like, end anytime, so you guys gotta run to the store and do it. But I was super excited for that deal, because those basically both came out to free. Now, it did say Regenerous, but when I scanned it, it worked perfectly fine. So, yes. So, Shopkick, I got 1,810 points, which is $7.20. Fetch Rewards, 46 points, which is 4 cents. Yay, 4 cents. Coupons.com, I did $4.75. With Shopium, I got $4 back. And then with Alexa, I got $4.75 back with that. I did receive a Coke bonus for 50 cents. I did receive that Olay bonus for $10. The Townhouse bonus, $2, and then I did get the Weekend Warrior for... You ate them all? Mm-hmm. Good job. And then with the Weekend Warrior... We gotta wait for your brother to get home. But with the Weekend Warrior, I did receive $5 that. I think I actually got 15, 16, 17, 18 rebates. I think I had 18 rebates altogether, which was awesome. A little bit slow, but it'll pick up again. We will see for that. But my total for everything came to $25.93. So I always try to keep it under 10, but you know what? The Capri Suns, my kids will always use. I always buy them anyways. The Lunchables, I'm going to have some for lunch anyways. The Townhouse crackers, you can never go wrong with crackers. Even the Honey Maid crackers, you just gotta go, you can't go wrong with that. And then my husband really likes the Coke products, so 25 bucks is a pretty decent deal considering it was 103. So I did get almost 75% of savings, so I will take that. 21 items at $1.23 each, which is an okay deal, but I am pretty happy with everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this haul, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Hopefully you guys can get some awesome savings deals. And I will see you guys next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.